In 48 hours, I'm going to be taking down this particular video. Yes, this particular video you guys are seeing is not going to be here again in 48 hours. So if you actually found this particular video before it hit 48 hours after it has been uploaded, then you are actually among the lucky ones, you know, to find it and to achieve your 4,000 watch hour. Because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour. I've actually spoken about this particular method before some times ago in my channel, and people came, they were like, oh, they are actually getting their watch hour. But there was now, like, I actually saw a group of people saying, oh, it is dropping. I'm getting the watch hour, but it is dropping. Someone said, oh, I got 3,000, I got 2,000, I got 1,500, but it is dropping. And that's why I am now, like, I'm now putting out this video to show you how your watch hour is not going to drop. If you follow through this process, just make sure you stick and watch from beginning to the end. I'm also going to be telling you the requirement that is needed, because not everybody can do it. Yes, if you don't have a system, first of all, you cannot do this particular process because it does not work on mobile. So you have to have a system, or maybe you meet a friend or you loan. You also need a stable internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then this particular method is not going to work for you. Also, you need data. I know in Nigeria, most of my audience, they are from Nigeria. They'll say, I don't have data, or MTN is sucking my data. Maybe you can do midnight sub. If you're really serious about monetizing your channel, maybe you have been trying it and you are so determined right now to monetize it, then you need data. You can do midnight sub, which is a little bit cheaper. Yeah, I think that will cover for it, because this is not something you can just do. This is something that you need to do for a longer period. And also, I need to now tell you the downside, because before I talk about any process on my channel, any method at all, I love to talk about the downside, because anything that has good side has downside. So one of the downside is that okay, let me start with the good side first. The good side is that you will definitely get your 4,000 watch hour. As long as you do this, you'll be able to monetize your channel. No issue at all. Yeah, no drop in watch hour. Everything is going to be fine for your channel. But the downside is that after you have monetized your channel, you might still struggle a little bit. That is when you now need to put in consistency, because you now need real, more audience that will now like watch your video, because you can't keep watching your videos yourself, because this particular method requires you to use a method to which you can actually do this yourself to get your 4,000 watch hour. I feel like I'm talking too much. I'm going to go straight into it, but I just need to make it clear so that you know if you are going for it or not. Yeah, it is not compulsory. If your mind is saying, let me just wait, because regardless, even if I monetize my channel now, I still need to wait to get the audience to be watching. And if your mind is saying, oh, let me just monetize my channel, I don't mind waiting anytime audience come. You understand? So it's left for you. So the downside is that you can actually monetize now, but you can take a while to make a reasonable amount of money, because you still need to build, you still need to keep posting, for YouTube to push out, for you to be able to get your audience, for you to be able to get paid. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So that is the downside. So if after hearing this downside, you are still interested to go ahead with it, just watch this video. First, you need to go to Google and search for youtube.com. So once you search for youtube.com, it will show you this interface. Yeah, let's just wait. So this interface, then you just go ahead and search for your video, the video you want to use in particular. So let me just use a random topic, maybe how to make money online. Yeah, just choose one. Yeah, just for tutorial purpose. So different videos will pop up on that topic. Then you just go ahead and choose your own video. So let's say this is my own video now, this one. Let me click on it. All I just need to do now, go to settings. So once I go to settings, reduce the quality to the lowest. Then I will now also loop it here, because we want to loop it. Don't worry, you guys will understand as we go. So after looping, I will now go ahead and duplicate this particular tab 10 times. You understand? You can do it more, but I'm just going to do it 10 times. So after that, you wait for at least 10 hours. Then before I continue, because I know some of you might be feeling scared that this particular method, is it safe? Can I do it? I need to let you know that you are not using any external app. So from beginning to the end, we are only using the YouTube feature, like YouTube inbuilt feature, what they kept for us. So for YouTube to put those features there, it means they are actually safe for use. So now let me now teach you how to not make your watch hour drop in case your watch hour has been dropping. So while you're still on the Google tab, just click on your account, click on manage your Google account where the arrow is. Once you click on it, then it will take you here. You click on data and privacy. So once you click on data and privacy, just scroll down just scroll down, you see history settings. Yeah, so what you want to do here now, right now, is to clear your history. You know, you want to clear out your history. Once you click on it, you can see these are videos that have actually been watched. So all I just need to do is to just cancel this video and delete them. Delete every single video that you have actually done. This is actually going to be done after 10 hours of watching a particular round. So once you do this, you take a break. At least you can take like 2 hours break. You continue again. So this is how you'll be able to do it to achieve your 4,000 watch hour. And then your watch hour is not going to drop. You can try this particular method. If your watch hour still drop, then reach out to me. But I'm so confident that your watch hour is not going to drop because this particular method is working. And this is a method to which I've actually started to imbibe for people. Yeah, just that currently right now I have a lot and I decided to just say, okay, let me just come and teach, because people have been saying, oh, you are just charging for everything, anything, charge. Can't you just teach us something for free? So that's why I had to just put out this for just 48 hours. Like I said, I'm going to be taking it down after 48 hours because for 2 reasons. Number one, I'm scared of, I don't want YouTube to now come and say, oh, this particular method that I'm teaching people now, first of all. And then number 2, because I'm planning to also monetize it. Yes. So after 48 hours, I'll take it down. People reaching out to me for 4,000 watch hour. And yeah, if you want me to go through this route for you, I can. If you don't want me to go through, if you want me to use another method, I still can. So there are several methods. I'll just ask you which one you want to use. So without no much talking, like without long talk, please do all to hit on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, so that you can actually get to see more videos like this when I post them. Do all to like and do all to share. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.